Hello, my friends! Isn't that awesome? Probably this is the whole video, just me looking at these nails. No, so I made this mani, which you probably saw, and it confused a lot of people, and if you messaged me about it, you were not alone. So I just thought I would show you kind of how I did this. I really wish I had written down which polishes I used exactly. Pretty sure it was these. But regardless, I'm going to show you just sort of how I did this effect with the depth. So the first thing I did was I laid down this base. This is called Avocado Bravado, and it is an NCLA. As you can see, it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. It's a dusty green. I picked this because it looked kind of like graveyardy looking, just sort of like a creepy zombie skin, swampy kind of green. So a little muted, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And then I took Grassy Patch, which is a green polish with like these really pretty gold flakies in it. And then I just kind of dry brush this on the bottom here. And I brought a little bit of the texture up here as well. And I can keep layering this as well to make it a little thicker. So as you can see, we've already created a lot of depth. This is absolutely one of my favorite plates. I don't know what I would do without this one. This is Moira Stamping Plate 106 Picturesque. So I've got Lace Wing here, which also has a little bit of a shimmer to it. So I went ahead and grabbed some of these grasses here because they're sort of tall and spindly. And then I'm just gonna put them there. Oopsie. And then I just picked up some of these branches here, these leafy branches. And I just like to lead everything off the nail. If you have any little excess on your stamper, you can just stick it on there. And after I did that, I realized I had actually used Literary Classic. So I'm just gonna go over this. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so this is Down the Chimney. And I'm just gonna put a couple of these like scraggly trees, or not a couple, I'm just gonna put one. It probably would have been good to do this before those overlaying leaves, so just make sure the tree's in the background. And then you want the leaves to be closing in on everything. It's gonna give it that claustrophobic feeling. So then I took Saddle Up, and that's what I used to kind of be like the dirt, like sort of exploding out of from where this zombie hand was. And for that, I grabbed like these kind of petals here. This is a plate called Z-Joy Plus 046. So I just kind of splattered that on there, to give it a little movement. And then the last thing I did was take Acorn, and I grabbed these spiky grasses here. This was kind of like meant to be like sort of an Everglades look. I'll grab even more of that. We can just put it there. And then if you wanted to add some spooky branches, you can also do that. So that's it. Easy peasy, right? Let me know how it worked out for you. I'd really like to know. And if you're on Instagram, please tag me. I love to see all that stuff. I hope that helped. Bye. Wait, look, one more time. Oh my God. Bye.
You can get it even closer.
I don't want him to bite him.
Oh, my guy's not gonna bite. Yeah, that's not gonna hurt. Like, yeah, right.